Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Island. I hope you all are safe. Now we are going to see exercise 20.2 RD Sharma class 7 question number 2. So before start, let's read the question first. Question number 2 is 1 meter wide park is built inside a square park of side 30 meter along its sides. The remaining part of the park is covered by grass. There is a square park and it's a 30-meter long and 30-meter wide. Inside that there is a 1-meter inside path is formed. Okay, so the remaining part of the park is covered by grass, means except this whole part, this part is covered by the grass. If the total cost of covering by grass is rupees 1176, means total cost is given to cover this area, find the rate per square meter at which the park is covered by the grass. So what we can do, as this is given, this is a square park, so I have written, because this is excluding the park, so we will find out the area of this part, so it will be easy for us to find out the rate of this area. Okay, so as I have written, this is the length and breadth of the park. Now 1 meter wide park is formed inside the park. It is formed inside the park. So this side of the park, excluding, we are not including that path, excluding path, side of the park excluding path will be 30 minus 1 minus 1. How I am doing that? It was 30. Now this is 1 meter wide, so I have to subtract minus 2. So you will get 28 meter. Okay. So side of the park will be 28 meter. I have already written, but how it has come? Suppose this is the park and inside we are making 1 meter wide. So 1 meter from here. Okay. So it will be 1 meter from here and here. Both sides we are doing. So it will be minus 1 and minus 1. So it will be 28 meter. Okay. So the area of the park excluding path, here what it is, here it is PQRS, sorry I didn't write it, PQRS will be 28 multiplied by 28 because it's a square. So the area of square is side into side. So 28 multiplied by 28 will give you 784 meter square. Now this is the area of this park, which is excluding the park. Now as we know, total money is given, how much total cost it is given, and we have to find out the per square meter cost. So total cost per meter square, means total cost of covering the park is given. Okay, so if that will be equals to area of park covering the green grass, means this part's area and each square meters rate. So we know total is given, total money how much it is, 1176. So 1176 is equal to area we have found out 784 and per square meter we have to find out. So we will write it per rate per meter square. Okay. So if you will divide it, 1176 divided by 784, that will be the rate of, sorry my markers are not working today, rate of per meter square. So if you will divide, you will get 1.50 rate of per square meter, per meter square. I hope this is clear, guys. First you need to understand the question, what it is given. So after this we will see the next question, question number 3. Welcome back friends. Now we will see question number 3. So question number 3 is, through a rectangular field of sides 90 meter into 60 meter, 2 roads are constructed. Okay, this is the rectangular field. From there 2 roads are constructed, which are parallel to sides and cut each other at right angle through the center of the field. If the width of the roads is 3 meter, find the total area covered by the roads. So this is the rectangular field whose length and breadth is given. Okay, and there are two roads whose breadth is 3 meter, and these roads are parallel to the sides of that rectangular field. So we have to find out the area covered by these roads. Okay, so first I have written let MNOP is a rectangular field, sides, length is equal to 60 meter and breadth is equal to 90 meter. Okay, now we will see, let K, so first I am talking about this PQRS, not K. PQRS is a road, as it is written parallel to the side, so PQRS is a road which is parallel to side MN. Road which is parallel to side MN. So length will be 90 meter and width is given, or breadth is given 3 meter. So area of that road will be, area of PQRS will be, as this is also rectangular, the length into breadth, 90 into 3 means 270 meter square. Likewise, we will find out the area of this road also. So ABCD is another road parallel to, now this is parallel to QN or QN and PM. So you can write either both or any one. To suppose I am writing QM. Okay. So the length will be 60 meter, suppose here, and width will be, it's given already 3 meter, both are for 3 meter. So area will be length into breadth means 60 into 3, 180 meter square. Okay. Now we have to find out the area captured by both of the roads. So what we will do, we can see here, okay, this is 270 and this is 270 is of area PQRS and 180 is by ABCD. Now we can see in both KLMN is common. Okay, so as we can see in both the roads, KLMN is common. So if you will subtract the area of this part from both of that, so we can be able to find out the area of the roads, covered. So the both roads is common. So area of KLMN is because both are cutting each other at 90. So it will be also 3. This will also be 3. So it will be 3 into 3 is equal to 9 meters square. Are we getting it? This is the inside part. It's in the center. And both are cutting each other at 90 degrees. So this will be also 3 meter because there is a width of 3 meter. And here also it's a 3 meter. So area will be 3 into 3 means 9 meters square. Now area covered by roads will be area of PQRS plus area of ABCD, both will be added, minus area of KLMN, which is common in both of the roads. So area of PQRS 270, area of ABCD is 441 meter square. So this will be your answer. I hope this is clear, guys. Now we will see the next question. See the next question, question number 4. It's a very simple question. From a rectangular sheet of tin of size 100 cm into 80 cm are cut 4 squares of side 10 cm from each corner. There was a sheet, okay, which is 100 cm long and 80 cm wide, and from each corner 10 cm by 10 cm 4 squares had been cut. Okay, so find the area of the remaining sheet. So we have to find out the area of remaining sheet after cutting these squares. So it's very simple. First you find out the area of whole sheet, okay, then find the area of one and then multiply it by 4 because it's same. Then if you will subtract these areas from whole sheets, you will find out the area of sheet left, okay, remaining sheet. So first we'll find out the area. So first we'll write length of sheet is equal to 100 centimeter and breadth of sheet is equal to 80 centimeter. So area will be, area of sheet is equal to length into breadth means 100 multiplied by 80 means 8000 meter square. Always keep this in your mind that you have to put area, always unit will be square. Okay. Now area of 1 square from a corner 10 into 10 means 100 centimeter square. So it was just 1. So area of 4 squares from 4 corners will be 100 multiplied by 4 means 400 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet will be, area of remaining sheet will be, area of sheet, area of whole sheet means 8000 minus area of that 4 corners. Okay. So 8000 minus 400, how much you will get? 0, 0, 10, it will be 7, 6 and 7600 meter square. So it was very easy, that's why I have done it very fast. Okay, now we will see the next question, guys. Is Rakesh has a rectangular field of length 80 meter and breadth 60 meter. Okay, this is a rectangular field where its length is 80 meter and 60 meter wide. In it, he wants to make a garden 10 meter long and 4 meter wide, 4 meter broad. At one of the corner, means one corner, and at another corner he wants to grow flowers in 2 flower beds. 2 flower beds in each of size 4 meter into 1.5. So these 2 flower beds he wants to make. Okay. Another corner he wants to grow flower in 2 flower beds each of size 4 meter into 1.5 meter. In the remaining part, now whatever part is left, part of the field, he wants to apply manure. Find the cost of applying the manure at the rate of rupees 300 per acre. Okay, so here we have to find out the, first if you will find out the area of whole rectangular field, okay, then we will find out the area of garden and area of flower beds. Okay, then what we will do, we will add garden and flower beds area and we'll subtract it from the whole area. So we will find out the leftover part where he wants to apply the manure or want to cover that area with manure. So it will be easy for us. So this is the these are the steps we are going to follow. So first we will see area of rectangular field. Area of rectangular field. For rectangular I am not writing whole because I don't have so much of space. But you have to mention, actually it should be whole. Rectangular field is length into breadth means 80. Length is 80 and breadth is 60. It will be, after that we will see area of garden. Area of garden, as everything is given, you have to just find out the area for each and everything. Area of garden is equal to 10 into 4 means 40 meter square. Then area of one flower bed, area of one flower bed is equal to, again length into breadth, 4 into 1.5, which will give you 4 5s are 20, 2 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. It should be 6 meter square. So area of, as there are 2 flower beds, so we will just multiply the area by 2. Find out the area of 2 flower beds. 6 multiplied by 2, it will be 12 meter square. Now you have found out the area of whole rectangular field, area of garden, flower beds. Now we will, so area of remaining part will be, area of remaining part equals to area of rectangular field minus area of garden plus area of flower beds. Okay, so area of remaining part will be, area of remaining part equals to, area of garden is 4800 minus area of garden 40 plus area of flower beds 12. So 4,800 minus 52, which will give you 4,748 meter square. Now we have to find out the cost of manure to cover this much area. Okay, so this is in a meter square. We have to find out the cost for acres. As we know, 100 meter square is equal to 1 acre, or I can say 1 acre is equal to 100 meter square. So I have unit meter square, so I will write, since 100 meter square is equal to 1 acre, so therefore 4,748 meter square will be 4,748 divided by 100. Okay, because this is a smaller unit, we have to convert it in a bigger unit, so we have to divide it. So it will be 47.48 acre. Okay, now cost is given. Find the cost of applying the manure at the rate of rupees 300 per acre. Per acre is 300, so we have to find out for this. Cost for manuring per acre is equal to 300. So therefore cost for manuring 47.48 acre, we will simply multiply 344. This will be the cost. You can try it by multiplication to save the time. I have just written the answer. You can check it. If you have a doubt, you can tell me if it is wrong. But I have checked. So I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, kindly write through your comments. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Stay happy always. Keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.